welcome back, everybody. If you didn't see it on Pinkee Jeans channel, then don't forget to go down below, click the link, because we are doing a taste test, and we just got done doing yummies, the universal yummies with Pinkee Jeans. And for everybody new and everyone that hasn't been over to Jeans, but I think pretty much everyone's been over to Jeans, my Aunt Jean. I got my Uncle Joe, my Uncle Larry, and Pinkee Jean. So we got just a few things. I went and found some funky popcorn. So we're gonna do some tasting of some funky popcorn, and oh, there's some other stuff in here too. But these two things were for you.
Oh, yum! I didn't see those in there. Scoop waffles, they're my favorite. Woo.
Yeah, so those were for her. Sorry, guys.
For coffee tomorrow.
There you go. Okay, so I've got 5 things in here, and 4 of them are popcorn. The other one is just some little things. So you pick out which one you want to start with.
I'm opening on again on this one.
It's all popcorn for the most part, except for the one.
Well, I like popcorn. Here's movie theater butter popcorn. That looks good. First of all, I have my knife, so it's a nice slit across the top.
I know, that's good.
Is that okay?
Perfect.
Now I like popcorn, so I'm gonna probably be good on these. So this is butter popcorn.
It's a brand.
This is Sweet Chaos. Sweet Chaos.
It's a lot like my day old popcorn.
I would say it exactly. It tastes like a day old popcorn.
Which I kind of like.
Yeah.
It tastes like the day old popcorn of microwave popcorn. I don't really like it, but
Not
you
your
know.
favorite?
No, I don't like popcorn. That's the reason why I bought popcorn.
I think probably we just went. Oh, let's go. So this is honey chipotle.
Oh, man, snap.
You ready for some more hot?
Why not? My tongue's still burning.
We'll see what happens.
It might not be too bad.
Yeah, it's gonna be good. And it's kind of got some good color to it.
That chipotle color. Yum.
Yeah, not hot.
I'm gonna be honest, I'm a little disappointed.
They're soggy.
I know.
They hold.
Exactly, it's like stale.
I mean, I like it. I used to go to the theater up in, what is it, the little town? And I would buy the popcorn and flip it over.
Oh yeah?
Because I could eat it for 3 days. I don't care if it's stale.
That was not very exciting.
This one is cotton candy popcorn. That looks interesting. It's a Dippin' Dots. How about Dippin' Dots with Coke?
Well, yeah.
Yes, it's Dippin' Dots flavor. I don't know if I've ever had Dippin' Dots.
I don't think, I may have tried them 1 or 2 times in Boston, but
Oh,
Yeah.
I got a big chunk. So these are bright pink.
did everybody see them?
Ew, just my color.
Dippin' Dots, cotton candy, popcorn. I don't know. Well, it's not stale.
This has got a good protective cover.
It's like candy.
Yeah. I don't know that it tastes like cotton candy.
Cherry.
Yeah, more like a cherry.
It's not good enough to where I'd buy it again, but I could eat it back.
I'm not looking too sweet, so here's another Dippin' Dots. This one's a birthday cake.
Candy covered again?
Yeah.
Probably. Now is it white chocolate? Is it dark chocolate? Is it yellow birthday cake? Oh, it's got sprinkles on it.
It's just a Dippin' Dots birthday sprinkle cake. Yum. actually tastes more like the actual birthday cake than
No.
the pink stuff. Did not taste like cotton candy.
I think for sure I can eat this.
This one I like better. This is better.
It's lighter. It's not as
Mhm.
it's not as much. It's a light sweet.
Even though I'm not a fan of sprinkles, they're not too bad.
No.
Okay, now I'm not convinced this is popcorn.
No, that was the only one that's not.
Oh, okay.
But it should have corn in it.
It does. Mexican sweet corn flavor. Ah. Three Amigos. Did you see that movie?
Yep.
I got three amigos.
Ah. This is like a trail mix looking stuff. Oh,
Yep.
and it's got corn nuts in there now. I love corn nuts. I don't
That's
know
why I
if you
said
can
it's
see
got
those.
nuts. So even though it's not popcorn,
It is corn.
it does have corn nuts.
Oh. Yeah. I love corn nuts. This is good. We said that's the last.
It's not like real spicy or anything, but
No.
they're
That
pretty
was good.
tasty. Well,
I picked this one.
is that your favorite?
This is my favorite.
That's the winner. Yeah. Most of those popcorns I could have done without, except for the birthday cake, but
Yeah, that was
this
okay.
is definitely the winner.
Mhm.
So, well, thanks for watching, and you never know when I'm going to do another one. So, till next time.